everyone! In this video, we will learn shapes name in English. 2D shapes: circle, oval, triangle, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, star, heart, diamond, kite, crescent, parallelogram, trapezium, square. 3D shapes: cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone, pyramid, hemisphere. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.